Okay, here we are in the shop. What we've got is we're making these windows here. I'll zoom in on them. They're two small windows we've made. They're double glass, thermally insulated. I've taken 2 layers of glass and separated them with as a thermal barrier. They don't open, but they're nice little windows. We made 2 already for the project. And over here, we're making the 3rd one. So we need 4 of these windows all together, and so we're into the production of it. So those are those 4 windows for the project, and we got to make a door. So down here on the floor, we have the cuts and scraps and pieces left over from where we were doing the truss production, and truss production's all done now. Here's more scraps over here by the table saw from where we were cutting for the truss production. The trusses are all done, and now I'm making these moldings here for the windows, and so we're on to that next step of finishing up this window right here. Okay, I wanted to show you the glass I'm using in this window. I got these 2 pieces right here. Now, hard to see, but there's actually 2 pieces here. I'm holding it with my hand. It's roughly 13.5 by 13.5 square glass, and it's tinted, and it's roughly window glass thickness. Now, there's one there, and I got another pane here. So it takes these 2 panes for this window, and what I do is I put them in, and you can see they fit right in this box here, and I put a spacer in between them that I've marked the window frame casement with a mark all the way around the same height, and that's where I put the spacer in. And I put one glass on one side of the spacer, and then I put the other glass on the other side of the spacer, and then I hold them in with molding. And then I trim around the window to make the casement. So that's this window being put together. Now this glass, what this glass is it's glass that I got out of an old window that I took to the hardware store and got them to cut it to the right size that I needed. So it's recycled glass I'm making the window of, and it's tinted. And when you put 2 layers like that, it's what they call double glazing. And what that's for is the first layer stops some of the cold, and it makes an airspace between the 2 layers of glass, and that's called double glazing. And they've been doing that for years. It makes the window thermal for winter, so it doesn't let the cold in. So these windows aren't really designed to open up. They're mostly just designed to let light in. So we're going to get back to work on these windows, and we'll be updating on the next segment of this project.